In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to connect GoDaddy domain to Hostinger hosting. By the end, your domain purchased at GoDaddy will point to your website hosted on Hostinger simply by updating the name servers. First, sign into your Hostinger account. Head to your hosting plan dashboard and open the area that shows your domain or hosting details. You're looking for the name servers assigned to your account. These are short entries that usually start with NS and come in pairs or more. Copy them exactly as shown, including any numbers and dots. It's important to copy rather than type to avoid typos because even a small mistake can keep your domain from connecting. Next, sign into your GoDaddy account. Open your profile menu, then choose My Products. Find the Domain section and select Manage All to open the domain portfolio view. Click the domain you want to connect to Hostinger so you're working on the right one. Open the DNS settings for that domain. In the name servers area, choose the option to change or edit. When prompted for how you want to manage name servers, select Use My Own Name Servers. This tells GoDaddy to stop using its default DNS and to delegate control to Hostinger instead. Paste the Hostinger name servers you copied earlier into the available fields. If you see more fields than you need, leave the extras blank and remove any old name servers so only the Hostinger entries remain. Save your changes. GoDaddy may show a confirmation or a brief warning, confirm to proceed. That's it. The connection is configured. Now, a quick note on timing. DNS changes don't take effect instantly. While many updates start working within 2 to 4 hours, full global propagation can take up to 24 to 48 hours. During this window, your site might load inconsistently, show a parked page, or appear temporarily unavailable. That's normal and should settle on its own as the changes reach networks around the world. Once propagation completes, visiting your domain will route traffic to your hosting or hosting automatically. If something doesn't look right after the propagation window, recheck that the name servers in GoDaddy match exactly what Hostinger provided. You don't need to modify other DNS records at GoDaddy once name servers are updated because Hostinger will manage them from its panel. Keep your Hostinger plan active and your domain registration renewed so the connection remains uninterrupted. And that's the process. You logged into Hostinger to copy your name servers, updated them inside your GoDaddy domain's DNS settings, and allowed time for the changes to propagate. Thanks for watching and good luck with your launch.